Hi, I'm Jason Forrest, and I'm the property owner here at 1220 Cabrillo Avenue, right off of Abode Boulevard in the heart of Venice Beach.
And I'm Tracy Hutson, and we collaborated together on this project. I'm a designer here in Los Angeles, and we would love to show you around this spectacular property and show you everything that we've done.
We really wanted to draw from the soulfulness of like neo-Victorian clubs that you'd find in New York.
And along with keeping where we are close to the beach, the light, the airiness, those textures, those organic materials that we brought in. We have so much to show you in this property, so it might be easier if we split up. Jason, why don't you show them the living room, and I'll meet you guys in the kitchen.
Sure, sounds good. One of our goals of this space was to create an overall sense of balance. In terms of textures, we started with a distressed dark brown Chesterfield leather sofa, and we layered it with furs. The floor, we have a more beachy feel with a jute rug. We layered that with off-white cattle skin. One of the special things about this room, it's a very high ceiling. So we have a chandelier that is purposely dropped down so that it helps fill in the space. And what that space does is it sort of leads you to the outside, where we have all these Fleetwood sliders. The warmth of the wood and the textures outside, they just sort of continue the living space. This is really a great space for entertaining. Let's see what Tracy's got going on in the dining room.
One thing that I really love about this space, not only that it's just begging to entertain, but it's so nice and airy and light, and you can actually see up to the second floor, which really just draws your eye up, which I think is so interesting architecturally. Clearly, coming into this space, the element of wood is very prevalent, but you see these beautiful walnut cabinets that I think are just so gorgeous. I think that what adds interest in this kitchen is really just using everyday objects as decor, adding botanicals, using wine bottles. It's got this really inviting, casual feel to it, but also is very visually stimulating. I love the butcher block island in the center. It's got that old world feel with all of these clean lines. I like that mix, and I love the wine opener. I think it really just pulls together the whole feel.
For the master bedroom, we were going for a sexy, open, airy, spacious feeling. And the biggest challenge that we had when we got this place was that the ceiling height was only 7'8". So the first thing we did was we tore that ceiling out. We put in a gigantic skylight, all Velux manufactured, 10 individual panes, 4 of which open. The other extension of that airiness is this great outdoor patio. But this isn't it for the master level. Tracy's gonna show you the rest.
This is one of my favorite spaces in the entire home. It's just this little gem, and it's a dressing room, so it's nice and big in size, as you can see. Our overall goal in this dressing room was to provide personal space and bring in art pieces and curiosities. I love the Victorian sofa that's brought in. The shape is perfect. The flocati rug, the ornate floor-length mirror really just brings in that intimacy and that romantic feel, but it's not overly feminine, which I like. I like that it has an edge. I mean, who wouldn't want to get ready in a space like this?
There you go.
Oh, how nice, thank you. This is amazing. I think that this rooftop deck is so well thought out.
Yeah, I love how we went with sectionals here. It maximizes the seating, great views in every direction. You can get 15 people here.
Easily. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour.
Thanks for joining us.
And now we get a minute to enjoy the Southern California weather.
Sounds good to me.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?